Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic mold design in Autodesk Inventor software and make the core and cavity of the given part. So this will be the given part, this will be the core and this will be the cavity. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to 2D sketch and select the XY plane. From here go to line command, make a line till here and one till here. Go to this profile, this and join here. So this is a rough sketch first. Now go to dimension. This will be a distance of 10 mm. This also 10 mm and the horizontal distance of 5 mm and the angle here will be 45 degree. Okay, finish. Now go to revolve and select this axis of rotation and OK. Now select this bottom, go to fillet. Here take a fillet of radius 1 and OK. Go to defaults, assign a color, will give the red color, so take light red and save this part. Make a new folder. Here we will save it as part. Now go to new, select the standard part in millimeter, go to 2D sketch and select this XZ plane, rotate the view. Now go to rectangle command and take the 2-point center rectangle. From this center point make a small rectangle. We will make. Go to dimension, the vertical length will be 30 and the horizontal will be 25. Okay, finish sketch and here go to extrude command and take extrude of 10 mm. Okay. Now go to default. Okay, first save this, save it as core. Okay. Now go to assembly. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to place, new folder and select both the parts, open and place it over here. Escape, rotate the view. Okay, and go to view, change this to gray room and visual style to shaded with edges. Okay, now it is more clear. Now you can see the both parts are in moving state. So to make the movement constraint, from here go to assemble, constraint, go to origin, match the planes of the core and the origin. So YZ, apply, XZ and XZ, rotate, for flush, apply, XY, apply. Okay, it is asking for edit relation. So just click here at mate and apply. Escape. Now it is not moving, it is constrained. So go to constraint with this and select this face. Okay, so it will select the axis of the circular profile and select this face. Apply. Now okay, part 1, open its origin. Now to constrain other xy plane and xy plane of this part. Apply. So this movement is not constrained. Go to constraint. So we will take xy plane of this core and exit plane of this. Make it flush. Apply. Okay. Now as this part is solid and no slot has been cut or the profile has been cut, so from here first close this. Now double click. Okay, close this also. Double click on this core. Now from here go to modify, copy object and copy this part file. Apply. Okay. Now from surface we'll select the sculpt and select this profile. Here we want to cut the profile, so take remove, more settings, and here we'll change the direction to inside. Okay, and okay. So this will be a cut profile here. Now return. So we'll back into assembly. Go to home view, rotate it. Okay. So now our slot profile has been created. Select this, right click and turn off the visibility. Now you can see the profile is cut in this block. Okay. Now we'll go to part 1, right click, turn on the visibility. So we want this portion at other side also. So double click this. From here go to save as and save as at cavity. Save. Okay. Now I'll return to assembly and go to place the cavity. Open and place it here. Escape. Now go to free rotation and rotate it according to your assembly. Okay. Now go to constraint, select this face and this face. Here we will take flush and apply. Okay. Now you can see. Now select this face and this face. Apply. Okay. Escape. Now this will be the movement of mold like this. Now go to constraint, select this face, rotate and select this face and apply. So this will be a closed profile. Now to make it a clear, select this, go to default. From here we will take the clear colors. We will take it clear blue and this has clear green. So from here take clear green. Now you can see easily the part inside and the core and the cavity. You can drag them up with free move. Select this and drag it up. Similarly select this and drag it down. This is just to show you we don't need this command. Okay, now from here click on update, so they'll back to the closed profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a simple core and cavity mold in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.